So this is the kit before it came to me. Dana sent these over while they were getting it loaded up. I think it was Always Transport was the one who did the work, and they were pretty awesome. One challenge was I did have to go down the hill. I live on a really steep hill with a double-ended cul-de-sac, and as you can see, it's quite a big trip, truck and trailer that they've got going on there. So enjoy.
has arrived. What a good looking car. Shell Valley does so much on these kits. They would have done the dash if I would have let them, but I have some ideas in mind how I want to do it. That steering wheel is beautiful. And you can see, they mounted the doors. They got the brackets on and everything. And yes, they are functional. 17-inch Brands. Nice tight wheel clearance there. Definitely some body work to get it to the lines straight, but overall this looks really good. As you can see, I went with the double roll bars. Let's pop the trunk. It's actually a decent amount of space in here. My wife was asking if there's room for an overnight bag, and yeah, definitely. Even if we end up putting the battery over here or up in there, there's space. You can see all the cutoffs, or cutouts rather. They already made space for the e-brake. And part of the package that I picked, I had them mount the engine and trans. And I haven't gotten under here to look yet, but based on the paperwork, I think they also got the drive shaft put in. So that's how they would have laid it out had they done the effort. Let's look under the hood, shall we? The big reveal. What a good looking engine package. And they even got the steering connected. Let the fun begin.